God gave you to me at a time na I thought I didn't need anyone but myself. I thought I was capable of being alone until I met you.
Hi baby, I still remember the very first time I saw you. Talagang alam ko nang gusto mo ako.
Sobrang unexpected na nakilala kita and honestly, di ko inakalang aabot tayo dito.
Last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Naalala mo pa ba baby yung time sinabi ko sa'yo against all odds? Di na. Okay. Sinabi ko sa'yo yun randomly habang nakaupo tayo sa ilalim ng puno sa QC. Naalala mo yun? O, diba? Detailed. Sinabi ko yun dahil alam ko that day na marami pa tayong haraping pagsubok. Ang sinisigurado ko lang sa'yo ay never mong haharapin yan mag-isa.
Tell me something.
Thank you for always giving your all. I'm grateful for your love and more grateful to God for letting me experience a love like this. You always take good care of me, make me laugh, and love me in the best ways you can.
Bisang tibok na puso.
All my birthdays, Valentine's, anniversaries, and special occasions. You never miss giving me flowers because you know how much I love them, especially when it's from you. Sabi ko kasi wag na kami mag-gift eh. Makulit talaga siya.
Thank you kasi pinakita mo sa akin kung ano yung totoong meaning ng love. Real love chooses to stay. Ikaw ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko.
You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one.
This is not a case of nagkataon, nagkatagpo, kung hindi itinaon at pinagtagpo kayo ng Diyos na magkasama kayong dalawa.
Shaina, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Down. Tell me something when you sing and when you laugh. What do I always photograph?
Emmanuel, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the
You were always there for me, believing in me, even if hindi ako naniniwala sa sarili ko. With you, I don't have to prove myself because you always love me for who I am. You've watched me grow into the woman that I am today and somehow loved every version of me along the way.
I vow to stay no matter what happens, just like you did. I promise to always stay kahit anong hirap, kahit gaano kahirap, mas pipiliin kong maranasan yan ng kasama ka.
Your universe. You're like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break
Hindi ko mapapangako ang perfect life, pero ipapangako ko na makakasama mo ako sa habang buhay. At kung magkakaroon man ako ng wish ngayon, kung merong mga susunod na buhay sa atin, hihilingin kong makilala ka pa rin.
the wreck you on.
If growing old means spending the rest of my life with you, then maybe growing old won't be something to fear anymore. Ngayong ikaw ang makakasama ko hanggang dulo, I choose every wrinkle, every gray hair, and every passing year, over and over again. And when our final moment comes, I'll hold your hand tight and find you in every lifetime. Because I wouldn't want to experience this kind of love again if it isn't with you.
I love you.